Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to the third section of online tutorial. In this section, you will learn about inflectional morphology. You will learn more deeply about how words are structured. You will also learn about free morpheme and bound morpheme. After finish this section, you are expected to easily explain about the ways to arrange words through inflectional process and be able to differentiate a various kind of words category. Remember, please read module 3, be active on the discussion forum, and avoid any kind of plagiarism. Thank you so much. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.